Friends, we live in an amazing time. A time where technology is evolving at an unprecedented pace, transforming every aspect of our lives. Technology is changing faster than ever before. Every day, new innovations are being introduced, making our world more connected and efficient. One of the most exciting changes is the rise of artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is everywhere, from our smartphones to our homes and even in our workplaces. And one of the most powerful AI tools is the chatbot. These digital assistants are revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. Chatbots are changing how businesses work. They streamline operations, handle customer inquiries, and provide support around the clock. They're like having a team of tireless employees who can talk to customers 24/7. No breaks, no sleep, just continuous service. Imagine a world where your business never sleeps. A world where your services are always available no matter the hour. A world where customers get instant answers no matter the time. This is the reality that chatbots are creating. That's the power of chatbots. They provide immediate, accurate responses, enhancing customer satisfaction. But chatbots are more than just automated responders. They are intelligent systems that learn and evolve. They can learn and adapt, getting smarter with every interaction. This continuous learning makes them more effective over time. This means they can provide personalized experiences for your customers, making them feel valued and understood. Each interaction is tailored to meet individual needs. In a world that's increasingly digital, chatbots are the bridge between businesses and their customers. They ensure seamless communication and foster stronger relationships. They're the friendly face of your brand online, ready to help and engage. With chatbots, your business is always open, always responsive, and always there for your customers. The chatbot revolution is here, and it's growing faster than ever. By 2029, the global chatbot market is projected to reach a staggering $46.641 billion. That's right, billions. This incredible growth is driven by the increasing demand for two things: better customer service and greater operational efficiency. Businesses are realizing that chatbots are not just a luxury, but a necessity. They're the key to staying competitive in a world where customers expect instant gratification. And the best part? Building and implementing chatbots is easier and more affordable than ever before. So, if you're a business owner, it's time to pay attention. The chatbot revolution is here, and those who embrace it will reap the rewards. Don't get left behind. In the past, creating a chatbot seemed like a daunting task. It was a complex process that required extensive knowledge of programming languages and software development. You needed a team of skilled programmers and a big budget to get started. The barriers to entry were high, making it accessible only to large companies with significant resources. But not anymore. Today, there are incredible platforms that make building chatbots accessible to everyone, even if you don't know a single line of code. These platforms have democratized the process, allowing anyone with a computer and an internet connection to create sophisticated chatbots. Platforms like DiFi and Zenbird have revolutionized the chatbot landscape. They offer powerful tools and features that were once only available to professional developers. They've taken the complexity out of the equation, offering user-friendly interfaces and intuitive tools. These platforms are designed to be as accessible and straightforward as possible. With these platforms, you can create a powerful, customized chatbot in a matter of hours, not weeks or months. The process is streamlined and efficient, allowing you to focus on what matters most, your business. These platforms are designed with business owners in mind. They understand the unique challenges and time constraints that business owners face. They understand that your time is precious, and they've made the process of building a chatbot as simple and straightforward as possible. You can quickly create a chatbot that meets your specific needs without getting bogged down in technical details. So if you've been hesitant to explore chatbots because of the perceived technical hurdles, I urge you to reconsider. The tools available today are designed to be user-friendly and accessible to everyone. The power is now in your hands. Embrace the opportunity to innovate and enhance your business with the latest chatbot technology. Let's dive deeper into DeFi, one of the leading chatbot platforms on the market. What makes DeFi so special? It's all about speed and simplicity. DeFi allows you to create a chatbot in seconds. Yes, you heard that right, seconds. How does it work? DeFi uses advanced AI algorithms to analyze your existing knowledge base and product documentation. It then uses this information to build a chatbot that can answer customer questions accurately and efficiently. It's like having a team of experts working behind the scenes, ready to provide instant support to your customers. But DeFi is more than just a quick fix. It also offers powerful customization options, allowing you to tailor your chatbot to your specific brand and industry. With DeFi, you're in control, shaping the chatbot experience to align perfectly with your business needs. Section 5. Sendbird 6 Steps to Success. Another fantastic option for building chatbots is Sendbird. Sendbird takes a slightly different approach, breaking down the chatbot creation process into 6 easy steps. These steps guide you through the entire process, from connecting your knowledge base to customizing your chatbot's appearance. Sendbird also makes testing and deploying your chatbot a breeze. You can easily integrate your chatbot into your website or app, making it accessible to your customers wherever they are. And with Sendbird's robust analytics dashboard, you can track your chatbot's performance and make data-driven decisions to improve its effectiveness. Whether you choose DeFi, Sendbird, or another platform, the message is clear. Building a chatbot doesn't have to be a complicated or time-consuming endeavor. There are tools available that empower you to harness the power of AI and transform your customer experience. Section 6. Customization is key, making chatbots your own. Building a chatbot is not a one-size-fits-all proposition. To truly maximize the potential of this technology, customization is key. Your chatbot should reflect your brand's personality and cater to the unique needs of your target audience. Platforms like Zapier take customization to the next level. Zapier leverages the power of large language models, or LLMs, like ChatGPT, allowing you to create highly sophisticated chatbots capable of understanding and responding to complex queries. With Zapier, you can fine-tune your chatbot's responses, ensuring they align with your brand's tone and style. Remember, your chatbot is an extension of your brand. It's often the first point of contact customers have with your business online. By investing in customization, you can create a chatbot that not only provides helpful information, but also fosters a positive and engaging brand experience. Section 7. The Power of Integration. Connecting the dots. A chatbot is only as good as the information it has access to. That's why integration is crucial. By integrating your chatbot with your existing business systems, such as your CRM, marketing automation platform, and e-commerce platform, you can empower it with a wealth of data. This data allows your chatbot to provide more personalized and relevant responses to your customers. For example, if a customer is inquiring about their order status, your chatbot can access their order history and provide real-time updates. This level of personalization can significantly enhance the customer experience and foster greater loyalty. Integration also streamlines your back-end operations. By automating tasks and processes, your chatbot can free up your team to focus on more strategic initiatives. This increased efficiency can lead to cost savings and improved productivity. Section 8. The benefits are clear. Why chatbots matter. By now it's clear that chatbots offer a myriad of benefits for businesses of all sizes. But let's recap some of the key advantages. Improved customer experience. Chatbots provide instant support, personalized interactions, and 24/7 availability, enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. Increased efficiency. Chatbots automate tasks, streamline processes, and provide valuable data insights, leading to increased productivity and cost savings. Competitive advantage. In today's digital landscape, businesses that embrace AI-powered solutions like chatbots gain a significant edge over their competitors. Data-driven insights. Chatbots provide valuable data on customer behavior, preferences, and pain points, allowing you to make informed decisions to improve your products, services, and overall customer experience. Scalability and growth. Chatbots can handle a high volume of interactions simultaneously, allowing your business to scale effortlessly and meet the demands of a growing customer base. Section 9. The future is now. Chatbots and beyond. The world of AI is constantly evolving, and the future of chatbots is brighter than ever. These intelligent systems are no longer just simple tools for answering basic queries. They are becoming integral parts of our daily lives and business operations. As natural language processing or NLP and machine learning or ML technologies continue to advance, we can expect even more sophisticated and capable chatbots in the years to come. These advancements will enable chatbots to handle more complex tasks and provide more accurate responses. These next-generation chatbots will be able to understand and respond to human emotions, engage in more complex conversations, and seamlessly integrate with a wider range of business systems. They will be able to detect nuances in human speech and adapt their responses accordingly. They will become trusted advisors, providing personalized recommendations and proactively addressing customer needs. Imagine a chatbot that not only helps you find a product, but also suggests complementary items based on your preferences and past purchases. However, with these advancements come important considerations. The ethical implications of AI and chatbots must be carefully examined to ensure they are used responsibly. Businesses must prioritize data privacy and security, ensuring that customer information is handled responsibly and ethically. Transparency is also key. Companies need to be clear about how they use AI and what data is being collected. Customers should be aware that they are interacting with a chatbot and understand its capabilities and limitations. Clear labeling and communication can help build trust and ensure a positive user experience. The future of AI is filled with both promise and challenges. While the potential for innovation is immense, we must also be prepared to address the ethical and practical issues that arise. By embracing innovation while remaining mindful of ethical considerations, we can harness the power of AI to create a better future for businesses and customers alike. The journey ahead is exciting, and with careful planning and responsible use, the possibilities are endless.